What is going on? Welcome to Greggles TV Daily. Hope you're having a fantastic day. We're going to talk about the new update that's been slowly rolling out to the Ray-Ban Meta AI glasses. Is a nice little update that's rolling out, version 15.0, and it brings with it some new features that I wanted to talk to you guys about and let you know. I currently don't have the update on my glasses. I've checked multiple times. It is rolling out slowly to people. So if you don't have it, that's probably why, but you can always check manually within the app for it. But let's talk about what is in there. And when I do get it, I will do a separate video talking about my experience with the update. So the first improvement it's bringing with it is live AI. So now you can converse naturally with Meta AI while it sees what you see through a live AI session. Use live AI to help you with your everyday activities, from planning out a meal to exploring a new city. Live AI will begin rolling out over time to everybody in the United States and Canada. Now, when you get the update, Live AI doesn't necessarily launch with your device at that moment. It sounds like from the last line that it's going to roll out after that sometime. I don't have an exact time range, but it will roll out. But with live AI though, what's great about it is once you get the conversation started saying like, hey Meta, and you get the conversation started, you can live in that conversation being like, okay, let's, you can, like as if there's another person looking through your glasses at you, but it's obviously AI. And what they mean by some of this stuff, like, you know, you look in your fridge and it's like, oh, what can I make? And they converse back, no, I don't like that. I want to make something with this instead. And you go back and forth, and then, you know, you're exploring a new city, for instance. You know, you're walking around, tell me some cool places around where I am that I see, that you see, that I would be of interest to me, that might be cool. And then it walks you through that, and it'll tell you, you know, places that are near you, what you can see or what you are looking at, a painting, and that's stuff you can do now. But instead of it going, you know, like short conversation pieces, this is gonna be like, again, a fluid type conversation, and sounds pretty cool, but also kind of sucks that we have to wait for it. Now, live translation is also now available to everyone. With live translation, you can have a conversation with someone who speaks another language and hears translations in real time between French, Italian, Spanish, and English. Translations play back through the Meta open air speakers on your glasses and are viewable as a transcript within the Meta AI app. It's great for exploring a new country in a deeper way and connecting with new friends. Now, they already had translation, so it's just basically going to be available to everybody at this point. Personalization enables Meta AI interactions and recommendations based on your preferences, habits, and context. Using memory and personalization, Meta AI can understand and evolve with you, anticipate your needs, and provide personalized interaction. So basically, the AI is going to learn from your habits. It's going to know what you like in terms of personalization. It's going to anticipate what you might want. And I think this is great. So basically, it's giving it memory. It's going to learn your habits. It's going to learn, it's going to have a memory of what you've told it in the past. And you might look at that as something scary. I look at that as something super helpful. And obviously there's probably a way to delete it anyway if it becomes too intrusive for your life. But otherwise, I think this is amazing. I love this, to be able to have a personalized feel to this. I do hope that when they do release it, this update, that it has, and I don't think it does, but the Hey Meta keyword is known to your voice and not just everybody around you, so that they can't, everybody just can't say it and your glasses will go off. We need that personal touch, so it doesn't work unless you say it. If you're in Europe, users in Europe will now be able to use Meta AI to ask questions on the go and ask their glasses about what they're seeing. Imagine walking through a park and asking your glasses about the different types of trees you see, or getting information on different landmarks while you're on a city tour. This update applies to people in all EU countries where Ray-Ban Meta glasses are sold, such as Austria, Belgium, Denmark, Ireland, Italy, Germany, France, Finland, Norway, Sweden, and Spain. So now you guys will get the new expansion of AI in the EU. This is a pretty cool update. This is, do you record outdoors or high action videos? They have targeted an improvement to ensure consistent, high quality video no matter where your adventure takes you. Nature trails, waterfalls, sports events, and more, our smart bitrate encoding will meet the needs of your scenes. As an additional optimization, on average, your overall video capture size will decrease for faster transfer times. What does this mean? It means that it sounds like they're gonna, when we record videos, that the quality of the video is gonna be at a higher bit rate. It doesn't mean it's gonna go from like 1080p to 4K or 720 to 1080. It doesn't sound like that. It just sounds like if it's recording at a certain resolution, it's gonna be a better quality of that resolution, which I'm all for. And it also sounds like, my guess is that when it's dark, maybe it won't record as well. I don't know. That's probably just me making that part up, but overall, it does sound like that they're gonna give us better quality video with that. Update is 341 megs, and yeah, you get it through the app, and I'm looking forward to getting it, but as of right now, I don't have it. I've been checking multiple times. My buddy just got it, who sent me the screenshot, Ryda, thank you so much, Samsung Ryda. He sent me this screenshot of him getting it, and yeah, looks pretty cool. Let me know if you've gotten this update and if you've had any issues with it or not in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Like I said, when this update hits my glasses, I will do a video on it again and kind of talk about it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you down the road. Peace.